Productions.
Outstanding.
Welcome again back to another tutorial video. It's your boy Rado. In this video, I'm going to show you our breakdown how I process this particular reggae track, or reggae vocals, on this particular song. The song is titled Beautiful Place, and we're going to dive into it. But before I do, please do subscribe, hit the bell notification button, leave some comments below on what you think or how you process your reggae vocals. Anyways, first and foremost, I start off with a pitch correction plugin, in which this one is Wave Tune Real Time. The reason why I use this, it doesn't have a lot of harmonic content as auto tune, so I tend to refer to this one as correcting pitches that are out of key of the song. So I normally use this on reggae vocals because it sounds so natural, and it have some sort of smoothing thing to it. Like, it just have a certain tone that really works well with reggae music. Second on this chain is Solid State Logic channel strip, and I filter the highs and lows. I turn off the dynamic section for this particular plugin, and I have ducked out around 5 dB of low mid frequency at 3.7, almost 400 hertz, and this is what it sounds like without the third plugin on it.
And all I wanna do is walk around with a smile on my face.
Without it.
All I wanna do is enjoy this beautiful place. Yeah.
With it.
All I wanna do is walk around with.
So you can hear a little clarity, the muddiness of the vocals is ducked out a little bit. And after that, I have a DSR on it, in which I put the frequency at 2.6 kilohertz, and I have.
And all I wanna do is walk around with a smile on my face.
Just taming those S's because they are poking out really much. Moving on to the verse section of the vocals, what I have first on it is the same pitch correction plugin. I've DS'd it around the same region, practically have the same channel strip settings, and I have subtract some frequencies.
People.
I didn't really like that. It mostly comes in like in the second verse.
Land of my birth, Jamaican and proud to.
I didn't really like that sound, and I tucked out a little bit more of the low mid frequency. And after that, I have a multi-band compressor because, like, the mid range, it was sounding a little bit too harsh. So just minimize this a little bit, medium. And I'm going to go here so you can really hear the before and after.
People acting strange.
Turn it off.
People acting strange, yeah. Children can play.
Alright, you can go right up here in front of the song.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So it tames those harsh frequency sounds in the mid-range that sticks out a lot in this section of the song here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, now. Oh, yeah. This is a place where I was born and raised. But when I look back to...
Yeah, tame those frequencies there. And everything else is just some bus processing. So I'm going to turn on but the effects on it so you can really hear the chorus of the song.
All I wanna do.
Turn on the background vocals.
All I wanna do is walk around with a smile on my face. All I wanna do is enjoy this beautiful place.
So the effects, let it sound larger than life. So for argument's sake, I turn off all the effects.
All I wanna do is walk around with a smile on my face. All I wanna do is enjoy this beautiful place.
At the verse.
And it seems so clear. People living in fear, yeah. This is a time when we.
And in context of the song, I'm going to play here also the chorus.
All I wanna do is walk around with a smile on my face. All I wanna do is enjoy this beautiful place.
really, really majestic. And this section of the song here,
and it seems so clear, people living in fear, yeah. This is a time when
yeah, so that is how I process reggae vocals for this particular track. So please do let me know in the comment section what you really think of this particular track or this mix or whatever the case may be. Please do leave some comments below. So without further ado, it's a boy Eldoh. Peace out.